Do you ever find yourself wishing for Gale to stop eating your magic items?
I need a magical artifact to consume, right now.
Or perhaps you just want Lae'zel to shut the fuck up. Please stop talking. I'm here to show you how to have a companion-free single-player experience without having to resort to Wither's lame-ass hirelings. If you follow the steps in this video, you'll be able to create 4 custom characters from the very start of the game without having to rely on 3 other people to help you create them. Because, as we all know, getting 4 people to be available at the same time is actually harder than the game itself, even on Honor mode. Step 1. Locate the BG3 exe file. The easiest way to do this is via Steam. You can just right-click the game in your library, then go to Manage, and then click Browse Local Files. Then, just click into the bin folder and you're done. And you're struggling to find the exe, I'll put a few likely paths in the description for you. Make sure to keep this folder open for now, you'll be needing it very shortly. Step 2. Close your launcher. If you're using Steam or GOG, make sure you exit out of them fully before proceeding, or the following steps may not work correctly. Step 3. Open the game using the exe file and create a multiplayer lobby. Simply double-click the exe file and the game should open as normal. Once it loads, click multiplayer and create a lobby. Enable direct connections and make sure to copy this code to your clipboard or write it down somewhere, as you will be using it shortly. Step 4. Open the game via the exe 3 more times and join your own lobby. Double-click the exe 3 more times and you should start to see 3 more instances of the game boot up. Quick side note, if your PC already struggles to run 1 copy of the game, I recommend going into the settings on all 4 copies and capping the FPS at a really low number, like 30 or even less. Now the game should be open 4 times, and one of the instances should be hosting a multiplayer lobby. All you need to do now is Alt-Tab into the other instances, and join your own lobby using that direct connect code I told you to copy earlier. Once your lobby looks like this, you're ready to move on to the next step. Step 5. Pick your difficulty and launch the game. If you want your playthrough to be an Honor mode playthrough, this is your last chance to select that difficulty. Once you're ready to go, you'll have to ready up on all of the copies, and click launch. This will load all 4 instances into the character create screen. Step 6. Create your tabs and launch the game once you're done. Step 7. Once in the Nautiloid, save the game, then close off all the duplicates. Now, since you can control all 4 of your tabs, you are technically done, but there is one more optional step. At this point, the companions are still alive, and they will attempt to join your camp if you let them, which can cause some annoying cutscenes, such as everyone's favourite twink vampire trying to suck your blood, or whatever the fuck this guy has to say. I don't know, I don't listen to him.
Do you get to the Cloud District very often? Oh, what am I saying? Of course you don't.
If you want a truly companion-free game, you'll just have to murder them all in cold blood as you encounter them. Or perhaps, if you share the same views as these fine gentlemen from the comments on my previous video, you can choose to kill only the dudes instead. Nobody will ever find out as long as you don't tell them. Most of the companions can just be killed where you find them, but some of them, like Will, can prove more of a challenge as they're surrounded by neutral NPCs, who may object to your murder. In cases like this, I recommend taking them to your camp first and killing them there, because in the camp, nobody will hear them scream.